How to turn off shorts on YouTube. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, open YouTube application on your mobile device. And then on the bottom right corner, you'll see your profile. Click on it. And after that, on the top right corner, you'll see a gear-like icon. Tap on it. And then click on General. Scroll below until you find Playback and Feeds. Tap on it. And you need to make sure that it's turned off. And now go back to your YouTube homepage. And then you'll see these shorts. You just have to click on the three dot icon and hit Not Interested. And do the same for the rest of it. And refresh it. And then you wouldn't be able to see any shorts on YouTube. That's how you turn off shorts on YouTube. Thank you all for watching it till the end and stay tuned till our next upload.